different hair. I just filmed this hair for a little IGTV, so it will be up there, but I do also have a YouTube version if you want to check that out either. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you now how I do my little pearls. So I just have these little pearls. They're like half pearls, so they're flat on one side. I think I got these in Daiso in like the nail section. I actually had like another pack of pearls that I bought but can't find them anywhere. I'm so glad I had this little packet. And then I also got this the other day. So it's this little decorative tape that's made of pearls. So what I did was I just pushed them like this and basically just slid off the tape. And I did that with the little ones too, so I have a few different sizes. So all I do now is I'm just taking some eyelash glue and I'm going to put some dots of glue through the little cut crease, which I kind of messed up a little bit, but it's okay because I'm going to cover it up with the pearls anyway. So I'm going to put the cream pearls through the crease on either side. I'll do like 2 to 3 at a time because the eyelash glue dries quickly. I also use just a little crayon. It's so good for picking up little pearls or anything like that. So if you're ever struggling to pick up pearls or little jewels or anything like that, try a crayon. Now all I'm going to do is just take the glue and just randomly scatter different size pearls around. So the first time I did this, I tried so many things to stick the pearls to my hair and nothing worked. I tried like hair gel, hairspray, so many different hair products, nothing would stick. So I googled it and like so many people were putting lash glue in their hair. I was not about to do that. I went back to my little strip and I just cut them. I'm going to show you now up close. So what I did was I just got the tape and I just cut strips. I just cut little sections at a time with a couple of pearls on each strip. And then all I did was just peeled the back of it off and it was just a couple of pearls with sticky bits on it and boom. Sticks straight to your hair. Please don't put lash glue in your hair. Genius. This lipstick is from Too Faced. It's called Dollface. I think it's limited edition. I don't think they have it anymore. I'm just going to go over that then with this lip pencil. It's called Cork and it's by MAC. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of this Bite Beauty Agave. It's the tinted one called Buzzed. So that is how I did my Euphoria look. It's a very easy look. The pearls just add the extra little vibe to it. Like a real cute Halloween look. If you're not someone who's into like scary Halloween looks, you could do something like a little bit more pared back like this. But yeah, I hope you like this look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah!